You know what? A quick one is the let's show real quickly the whole mark in VS Code, the
Oh
MARK.
yeah, sure.
It's a
Yeah.
great and I forget who was it. I think it was Steven. Did you the one that showed us that, Steven? Someone showed us.
We're going to remove this. And let me open this code. And as you can see here in the minimap, we have what, 1,000 lines of code. And there's a lot of things that are going on. And I don't know, there's some things on this code that I kind of like want to highlight to make sure that I find it next time that I'm looking for it without having to, read a lot. I just want to be easy. I want it to be easy for me to find that stuff. So let's say that I was here. I have some roles and some prompts here, that some system prompts. I can just write as a comment mark, and you have to be careful because it has to be all uppercase, by the way. And then you put the colon there. And as soon as you do that, notice that here on the minimap, something showed up. That is kind of like a marker on the minimap about that marker. If you don't specify any text, which is something that I don't think you mentioned in your when you were in the group, if you don't, it will automatically grab the next line as your marker text, which is okay, right? But sometimes, for example, if I do this summary, it would say summary right there, right? Let me see if I can make it bigger. There it goes. See? So I'm going to mark it and I'm going to say prompts here. And now I have a very clear location in my minimap that if I'm scrolling through the code, and right now, if it is just like this, I can just